Strengthen the economy and people's rights. Assurance of legal protection is advisable considering the highly complex issues we are facing in the present time. We can access a wide range of everyday support, including IT, that helps make life easier although only partially. State-supported cybersecurity, as well as trust in large corporations, should ultimately benefit the citizens. While legal certainty and trust cannot be taken for granted, they cannot be attained within a short period of time. It is necessary first to address and counter widespread monopoly. Fundamental rights and independence are in demand and should, hence, be promoted. The lack of trust in the state and large corporations is increasing and has become more apparent. Related headlines of such are becoming more and more commonplace, not only with regard to the IT industry. Scarce resources are of increasing concern for mankind, just as power struggles and distribution problems have been for thousands of years. It is crucial to build a society whose aim is to grow into a vigorous old age, which entails healthy nutrition, exercise, and the provision of local recreation zones. And an equally important element to achieving this goal is fostering a participatory, flexible, and entrepreneurial labor market. In addition, a sound financial system which covers social security and pension systems can significantly contribute to a society with high standards and a long-term outlook. Digitalization can be widely successful if it is meaningfully implemented in the research and education sectors. Therefore, investing in entrepreneurial knowledge transfer, high-quality content, and adequate access for more people worldwide is necessary. But this will only be possible with substantial financial investment. Undoubtedly, certificates, diplomas, relevant credentials, and test procedures are essential. However, if all institutions in large cities are centralized or clustered only in specific locations, it will make commuting inconvenient for many. So to counter the congestion caused by everyday traffic surges, pilot projects such as mobility pricing are currently being launched. This model should allow cities and communities to implement similar projects. The federal law, which is limited to 10 years, is intended to make it possible for new pricing systems to be tested and to then influence transport demand and mobility behavior both in private and public motorized transport. The aim, overall, is to reduce traffic on the roads and make more sensible use of public transportation systems. Moreover, the conventional office hours observed by most institutions are another pertinent issue. The current business arrangements date from a time when fewer people inhabited the country or indeed the planet. It would definitely be more advantageous if as many of the 8 billion people as possible could become part of the knowledge and information society. What this requires are more self-employed people and appropriate incentives through efficient tax systems. But this is precisely what is being discouraged by current social attitudes because, paradoxically, people are concerned about earnings and pensions, and rightly so. People in every country worldwide will have problems without financial resources. For example, an individual may no longer be able to exercise their personal rights. Even the super-rich may lose their rights or assets depending on the situation and the region. Every era is faced with the problem of the bureaucracy's power and tunnel vision, as well as the plight of the less fortunate. People can lose everything in times of war and more so in times of peace. So let's stand up for the creation of a participatory society. Let's build structures that allow dreams, visions, and laws to make independent work appealing and truly profitable. Let's create a trustworthy financial system and bring in value from independent experts in all disciplines. Let's devote more focus to flexibility, participation, and enthusiasm. And let's integrate and utilize each generation's rich experience of digitalization. With commitment and inspiration for the future, everyone can, and should, contribute, participate, make progress and, ultimately, prosper.